Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Nothing Phone 1. So in order to do this, first let's open Google Play Store. From here start search for Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no real game. So to fix this, we'll need to go back, click on the profile icon, move to the settings, reveal the family, move to parental controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code, click on OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save that, and after doing so, let's try finding Call of Duty again, and it's right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.